Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Usha Mandal and you will see vlogs, lifestyle videos, reviews on my channel. So please subscribe and also hit the like button for this video. So today's video is a bit different. It's a review actually, and I wanted to share my experience with you guys. I get a very common question nowadays that what do I do for my hair care? I have color treated hair, but many people ask me that what do I do to take care of my hair, because nowadays hair fall is a very big problem in everybody. And truth to be said, I also have this problem. I had this problem actually. I use a lot of chemicals. As you can see, I have hair color, and I also use a lot of machines on my hair like the hair straightener, curling iron. So my hair does go through a lot, and I was experiencing a very bad hair fall situation, and I was experiencing very dry hair, very rough hair. About a month or a half ago, I was just researching online and I heard that biotin is a very good thing for hair growth. So I thought I should research about this a bit and then maybe I will try this out. So that was the time when I came across a product which has biotin and which is actually for hair growth. So yes, I am talking about this HK Vitals Biotin tablets. These biotin tablets are really good. Now I will tell you all about this. This thing is a holy grail. Yes, it is, and I have been having this for a month now. And I will tell you that this does not only help for your hair growth, it also helps for your skin and also for your nails. Many people have this problem that they have very brittle nails and the nails just break off. That will also be taken care of by this tablet. So this is a biotin tablet. Now what is biotin? First we need to know. Biotin essentially is one of the B complex vitamins. Promotes the keratin formation. Now what is keratin? I know you must have heard that our hair has keratin and we all go through keratin treatment in the hair salons. So yes, keratin is a very important component of our hair follicle, each follicle of our hair, and this increases the rate of follicle growth, the hair follicle growth, and that actually gives you hair growth. That is the reason you will see hair growth after you have the biotin tablets. This HK Vitals Biotin tablets are very easily available on Amazon and also on their official website. I'll link down all the details in my description box. Do check it out. But yes, now I will tell you how I have it and what effect did I see in my hair. So I will tell you that I did not see the effect in one day. Definitely you will not see its effect in 1 day or 2 days or even 5 days. You have to have this tablet regularly, one tablet only, and then you will see its effect after a couple of weeks, maybe a month. It differs from person to person. Like for me, I saw the effect after about 3 weeks. So I had this regularly and I still have this. This bottle has 60 tablets and this costs rupees 499, but you will get discounts on their site and also on Amazon. So this has a shelf life of 2 years, which is quite a long time because you are going to have this regularly. So in 2 months you're going to finish this because it has 60 tablets. Now let me show you the tablet. So a very small tablet. It's very easy to pop in and just have it after your lunch. So how do I have it? I will tell you that. After my lunch, I take one tablet every day. So that is how you are also going to take this. This will improve your hair. As you can see, I have shiny silky hair, and which was a dream for me few months back because I had really rough hair. So this has helped a lot, but yes, again, as I told you, it's not going to work from day one. You should be consistent in having the tablets every day, one tablet each day. Yes, now I will give you some information, extra information, that this should not be taken by pregnant women, lactating women or children below 5 years. That is a very, I think, common sense or a discretion that everybody knows that these kind of people should not use this. Otherwise, everyone can have this HK Vitals Biotin tablet. Now, what is HK? Let me tell you about HK now. HK stands for Health Cart. Health Cart is a very well-known brand which makes awesome products which are natural and which works like wonder. A very very well known brand, and I don't know if you have heard it, but I have heard about this brand. And so that was the reason when I saw that the biotin tablets are from HK or Health Card, I just got hold of them. So that was all about the biotin tablet supplement. And it's not like you are going to have any side effects, because supplements do not give you any side effects. This is going to be a supplement to your food. So try this out, and I am sure you're going to thank me later, because I have seen huge difference in my hair. As you can see, my hair is so shiny. So that was all about the Health Card Biotin tablets. Now, as you can understand, we also need to take care of our hair. We are having the biotin tablets to just repair our hair internally, but externally also you have to take care of your hair, give some food to your hair. So for that, Health Card also has a very very good product, and this is the shampoo, which is the biotin shampoo with red onion extract, and this is the product. So this thing also I got hold of from the site, from Amazon, and there was a good discount. You can also get it from Health Card website. Now what this claims, that it strengthens the hair, it reduces the hair loss, softens the hair and restores the shine. This is dermatologically tested, this is skin friendly, it is sulfate and paraben free, and this is the main thing which I look for in shampoos nowadays, because sulfate and paraben is very bad for our skin. Sulfate is not there in skin products, but paraben is there. So priced at $2.99, and this is a pump bottle which is very convenient to use, and I just love the packaging. It is sleek and you can just carry it around with you, and moreover it has this cap, extra cap from spillage protection. You can just put it like this and your shampoo will be spill proof, which is really great. Red onion extract, which is again great for hair growth, as we all know that our grandmothers used to tell us to use onion paste on our hair to give a good shiny hair, and reduce your hair fall. So that's a really really awesome thing which this shampoo has, and I have been using this for a month now. I hold of all the things together, the Health Card, all of them together, and so I have been using them together. So 1 month it has been, and it's awesome. And I will tell you something, I don't like very strong smelling shampoos or very strong smelling products, and this is that product which has a very very mild smell, and moreover it does not have onion smell, which is very important, because onion, you can understand, if it smells from your hair, then it's going to ward off people. So that's not good. So it does not have that onion smell, pungent onion smell. It has a very good soothing soft smell, not overpowering smell, which is awesome. So how do you use a shampoo? You just wet up your hair and you just pump this shampoo on your palm, and then just put it on your hair and lather and then wash it off. That's how you use a shampoo. So I shampoo my hair in every alternate day. Onion extract which this has, it actually strengthens your hair follicle. The hair follicle which I was talking about, which biotin helps to grow, that follicle is strengthened with this red onion extract, and that will help you from hair loss. I have another additional thing which I use along with this. Generally people use a conditioner after the shampoo. I also used to do that, but I got hold of a very good thing from Health Card, and that is this natural biotin hair tonic. We have so many things, but we have so much junk food, we have so much food that is not healthy. So even our hair, our skin reflects that. So we need to give our hair, our body a good natural supplement. So that is taken care of by HK Biotin tablets. So, and even you have that shampoo with onion extract that will wash off all the dirt and give you the strengthening effect. Now to give your hair extra food, we have another product. There is another awesome product from Health Card, and that is this hair tonic. Yes, you heard it right, this is a hair tonic. So this is the bottle, this is the packaging. Now I will show you the bottle inside. So this is the hair tonic. This is a glass bottle, but again this has extra protection cap which you can remove, and then you're going to just pump it on your palm but this is really good because it helps again in spillage protection. 50 ml of product and costs 679 rupees, but again this has the red onion extract, it has biotin definitely. So this is that extra care, the extra shine which your hair needs. It's actually the tonic for your hair. It's a serum, but how you are going to use it, how I use it, I'll just tell you that. What I do is I shampoo my hair with this shampoo, the Biotin shampoo, and my hair is washed, it's wet, it's damp. Then what I do is I just take 2-3 drops of this like this, rub it along in my palm and just massage it in my hair. Right now I'm not doing that because my hair is washed. So in wet damp hair you are going to use the hair tonic and then just keep it for a couple of minutes, maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes, and then wash it thoroughly with a mild shampoo. You just have to wash it with a mild shampoo, not very strong, and then you are just good to go. Use it after you shampoo your hair. This is a food for your hair because this has biotin, which is again an awesome B complex vitamin, which is a food for your hair, which is going to promote the hair follicle growth, keratin formation. So it's awesome. And then it also has red onion extract, which will again prevent hair loss. You're going to have hair growth and also you're not going to have any hair loss. And my hair is so smooth that my brush just slides, just glides in my hair. I know it might feel like a advertisement from your TV, but it's actually so smooth and silky. So that was my hair brushed, and as you can see, there's no hair loss. This is what Health Card products have done to my hair, and I'm very happy about it, and I think you should also try it, and I know that you are going to love it. Share your experiences in my comment section below. I will be more than happy to interact with you. If you have any query, you can also ask in the comment section below. Share this video with anyone who needs to see this, because hair fall is a big problem nowadays and I had been facing this problem. So that was all about the Health Card Biotin range of products which I am using right now, and I want you to use it also and tell me about your experiences. If you are still on my video, I'm sure you have liked it, so please give that like button a hit and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching the full video. Bye bye.